this video, we're going to play a mobile bot in a fake murder mystery. So hope you enjoy, guys. Hope you enjoy. Let's see what we have. I know I played this a lot recently. No cap. I'm just gonna link it in the description. Okay, I'm just gonna link it in the description. Guys, I'm gonna link it in the description, okay? Did I have the brown hammer? Yes, sir. I'm gonna have it in the link in the description, guys. I have it in the link in the description. Okay. Let's play a couple. You such a new. I'm gonna link in the description, okay? What? Yo! No! What the? I forgot I have 0. Oh god, I have 0 bucks. Anyways, we don't talk about that. We don't talk about that, boy. We don't talk about that, but this is a gameplay of Murder Mystery 2. You know what I'm saying? You definitely know what I'm saying. Come on, boy! I just gonna get innocent. Okay, I don't know if he's married, but I am just hallucinating. If I get you, what? Let me just up the value real quick. There we go. And I am in the Phoenix, boys. Hey, who's the murderer, boys? Who was the murderer? I didn't see anything. I was just vibing. Thursday. Why is there a ban hammer in this game? Link in the description. It's like what do you call it? It's like Murder Mystery, but it's fake. So yeah, I'm on mobile. My account got banned recently. My oath. Just kidding. My account did not get banned. And also, why is Mr. Flim Flam here? Hello, Mr. Let's go. Worm chicken here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, what did I get? Innocent. If you don't know, I'm just gonna link it in the description this game, guys. If you don't believe me, I believe. Okay, what? That was cute. Hello. Hello, Papa. Just for the budge. Oh heck no. Oh heck no. Oh no. I saw the murder. I saw the murderer. Then bye. Bye. If the speed glitch works, I'm going to explode. I cannot do anything. If my gun doesn't work in Murder Mystery. Bruh, my gun doesn't work in Murder Mystery. Where do you gonna put it?
Spaghetti.
Yes, sir!
Kumain ka na ito.
Bangon ko na lang.
Tatapon na yan.
Oh, man. Okay, bougie. Okay, I see it. Bro, I just ankled this guy. One by one. No cap. Bro, I played with the echo god, bro. Let me just do this. Real quick. Oh, I did it. Where is the murderer at? If I can get in. Hold up, there it goes! What? Good God! Help me! I'm the ban. I'm gonna keep banning you, bro. Go. Help me! Mr. Flim, wait, ako lang ba yun? Mag-isa lang ba ako? Am I alone? Okay. I'm literally alone. Mr. Chicky. I know you're in here. Where is that guy at? Where is Mr. X? Hey, I won! I didn't even shoot. No, that is literally crazy. That is literally crazy, bro. Where was the murderer? Did anyone want me? Oh heck no. What? You didn't see nothing, bro. You didn't see nothing. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you enjoyed and subscribe to the video right here, bro. See ya.